In this video, I'm going to show you a simple and easy way to pay for your Amazon advertising fees or bills. So I'm going to introduce you guys to a platform called Payoneer. On Payoneer, you can just upload your invoice, your generated invoice, or you can manually enter it on here and then pay for your Amazon advertising bills. So let's say you have an Amazon store or you just want to run any sort of advertisement on Amazon, you can pay with Payoneer. So any part of the world you find yourself, you can link your local bank account to this Payoneer account, and then you'll be paying your Amazon advertising fees using your Payoneer account. So now let me show you guys how to do this. So to do this, just come on here, just tap on pay. You'd have to create a Payoneer account. If you already have a Payoneer account, to just tap on your pay section here. So on here you can see pay an Amazon advertising invoice. So you tap on that. Good. So the page loads here. So just like I made mention earlier, you can upload the invoice if you've generated it. If you haven't generated it, you can manually enter it. You get it. So here you choose Amazon US, Amazon UK, Amazon Germany, Amazon Italy, France, and the rest. So for tutorial purposes, let me choose Amazon. If I choose France, okay, let me choose the US. Good. So you can see Wells Fargo, blah 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 blah. So here you select from your balance, which is your USD balance. With this account, I have three different accounts. I have a USD, I have an euro, and I have a pound sterling. So I need to have a minimum money in my account. So I'll just have to enter the amount here, and then you enter your invoice number here, and then you review it, and then you process your payment. So it's going to take some time to process, and then you make your payment. So that's it on how to pay for your Amazon advertising invoice or your advertising fees or bills using Payoneer online. So you can pay for your Amazon advertising bills for US, Spain, Italy, France, and the rest. So that's it. If you have any question, you can drop it in this video's comment section. I'm going to help you solve that. That's it for the video once again. Peace.